Okay, we thank you very much. Let me start with abantu banamhlanje. These are the last people that qualify to be on the top 150. Okay, right. Asiqale ngo Kiwi G. Sino Kiwi G. Then we have got Nkateko Mizzy.
Wait. Nkateko who? Nkateko Mizzy. Guys, I've been nominated on the Music Goat 2024 top 150. There was 1,600 and something of us, that's all. But I still managed to get on that 150. Guys. This year, making bigger moves. Trust me on that one, doggy. Trust me. English.